Hi there, it's Roz Green with howtoblog101.com and welcome back. We are on session 3 and hopefully you already have purchased your domain name and you've already set up your hosting account at HostGator. Now, once you set up your account at HostGator, you should have received an email that has your login information. You need to retrieve that information, just your username and your password, and go ahead and log in. Now, they're going to give you a link in that email that will take you to a page that looks exactly like this. So you're going to have two windows open. You're going to have your cPanel open. You're going to get the link from that email. And you're going to also go ahead and have your GoDaddy homepage open. Go ahead and log into GoDaddy and then have those two windows open at the same time so that we can easily go back and forth and you'll be able to pause the video and do the things that you need to do really quickly. So the first thing we're going to do is have you log in to your cPanel using the information that came in your email. So I'm going to go ahead and log into mine. Now, what's going to come up can be a little bit intimidating if you're not used to working with a hosting service. There are a lot of icons and most of them I never ever touch or use. So please don't look at this and go, oh my goodness, I'm never going to be able to do this. You're only going to use 1, 2, possibly 3 at the most. But for me, I usually use only 1 or 2 of the things that are on this page. As you get more advanced and you get more into it, of course, then you can explore some of the other things. But for our purposes right now, we're simply going to use just 1 or 2 different things. Okay, so now that you're logged in, we're going to just leave this blank for just 1 moment. Go over now to your GoDaddy account and you've logged in. Now what we're going to do is manage our domains, the one that you just purchased. So in the left corner, you see where it says domains. Don't click on it. Just put your mouse on domains and this list of different things that you can do will pop up. You're going to go over to the right at the bottom where it says domain management and you're going to click on that. And you'll see that this is, like I said, this is a training account that only has 2 domains in it because I've used these for trainings. And in this account, all you're going to see are the domains that I've purchased. So I'm going to be working with the one that we just purchased, which is the myvideotalkreview.com. I'm going to tick the box next to it. Now, what I want you to notice is this. If you look across the top, you'll see these icons that aren't available for use right now. But once I tick next to this domain, now all of a sudden, everything becomes available for me to manage this domain name. What I want you to focus on right now is right here where it says name servers. And I want you to click the arrow down. Once you click it, you'll see you have an option of setting the name server or managing your DS records. You're going to click on Set Name Servers. And what's going to come up is a list of different things that you can choose to do with your name server. What we're going to pick is the last one that says, I have a specific name server for my domain. So put your tick in that one. Now, notice what comes up is there are 4 boxes that have places for name servers. Now, if you were going to keep your domain name hosted on GoDaddy, you wouldn't even have to touch this at all. And I'm just saying that in case you ever purchase a domain name that you're not going to host on your HostGator account. You won't have to worry about this part here. But for now, we are going to need to make some changes. Leave this window open. And now what I'm going to do is click on my HostGator account. If you scroll down on the home page of your cPanel, this is called your control panel or what we call your cPanel, scroll down and what you'll see is there are 2 name servers listed right down here. Okay, all you need to do is copy the top one, select it, right click and copy, go back over to GoDaddy. In that first box, you're going to, I'll just do Control V and now paste that first name server. Now, you can either copy this and put it in the next one and just change the number if you already know what the number is, but let's just keep it simple. Go back to Control Panel in your HostGator account. Now you're going to copy the second one, the second name server, right click, copy, go back to GoDaddy, and you're going to get rid of the second one. I'm simply Control V to paste. And now I just clicked in the third box to get them situated with the caps and all that. You don't need to do that, but it's just my little thing. Okay, but now your name servers are set to HostGator. What that means is now everything that you need to do with your domain name, you're going to be using HostGator, and it is hosted in HostGator rather than GoDaddy. I simply click on OK. And it says my changes have been submitted. They always tell you that it'll take up to 2 hours. I haven't ever had to wait that long for anything, but I guess that's for security, just in case for any reason the net's moving really slower or something like that. But it's pretty much done. We're going to give it maybe a few minutes, and we'll make sure you click OK so that it's all done. And then we're going to go to the next phase. So now at the end of this video, you're going to go ahead and change the name servers on the domain name that you just purchased from GoDaddy to HostGator, and I'll see you in the next video.